Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Garfield Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Garfield Surprise Fold, let's begin with the nose. I'm going to make a little sideways oval shape right here above the fold. So I'm just going to make a little sideways oval shape just like this. Now for the eyes, let's go ahead and draw a straight line that comes up. Then I'm just going to curve a line that's just going to come down and up to here. And I'll do the same thing on this side. I'm just going to curve a line, it's just going to come down, curve around, and right to here. Next, I'm going to make two little oval shapes in here for the pupils. Now, for the mouth, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to bring a line that's going to come right to the fold. It's going to go out and up to here. And then same thing over here. I'm just going to bring this line out, and it's going to come right up here about halfway. I'm going to put an extra little curved line on there. And then we're going to make this curved line right to here, and then another curved line right to here for the mouth. And then I'll go ahead and add three little dots on each side. Now let's go ahead and make the ears. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out and then down here like half an oval. And we'll do the same thing over here, just come out and down like half an oval. I'm going to bring this line down here, and then I'm going to bring this line down here. Inside the ears, we're going to put some points. So I'm going to put 1, 2, and 3 points. And same thing here, 1, 2, and 3 points. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and it's going to curve to here. And then same thing here, it's going to come down and then curve. I'm going to bring this down underneath the fold and up, and then same thing here, down underneath the fold and up. I'm going to add a little curve here and a little curve here. And then I'm going to make these little hairs up here. So I'm just going to make 3 little kind of curvy points up here. And same thing over here, 3 kind of little curvy points. Now, starting down here, I'm going to make the arms of Garfield. So I'm going to make a little line coming down here, and then a little line coming down here. Then I'm going to make a little line up here, and a little line up here. I'll curve this around into here, and then I'll curve this around to here. I'll curve this around for a finger, and then bring it down. I'll do the same thing here, curve this around, and then bring a little line down. I'll do 1 here, 1 here, and then we'll do 1 more here, and then 1 more right here. Curve a little line, and then we'll curve a little line. We'll make a line that curves down and up for the hand. And then we'll bring this line down and in. We're going to go down and then in. And then right here, I'm going to curve this line down, and then I'm going to curve this line down. Now, Garfield's going to have some stripes on here. So it's just going to be 3 little lines. So I'm just going to make 1, 2, and 3 lines here. 1, 2, and 3 lines here. Do the same thing here, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. I'll put them down here too, so I'm going to do 1, 2, and 3. And then 1, 2, and 3. I'll do the same thing here, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. And over here, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once this is open, we have 2 halves of our Garfield. So, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this line down just a little bit on each side. And I'm going to make this line come up a little bit on each side. Now, inside of here, we're going to draw Garfield with his favorite food, which is lasagna. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a wavy line that's just going to go up and down all the way over to here. I'm going to curve this around, and I'm going to make another wavy line right on top of this. These do not have to match up or anything like that. Next, starting here, I'm going to make some wavy, kind of bumpy lines all in here just to make some kind of cheese and sauce. And I'll do another one right here. Then starting here, I'm going to make another wavy line that just comes right up to here. I'll do a little line down. Next, I'm going to make some more wavy lines in here. And then I'm going to make another wavy line for kind of like the lasagna noodles. Next, on top of here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up, it's going to go across, and then down. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve up and down, and then one over here, up and down, with 2 little lines in there for a little decoration on top. Next, I'm going to bring this line down to the lasagna, and then I'm going to jump over it. Same thing here, bring it down to the lasagna, jump over and connect it. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'm going to bring a line down here. I'm going to jump over it, I'm going to bring it down, over, and then up. Now, right across here, I'm going to make some teeth inside Garfield's mouth. And then I'm going to do the same thing down here. I'm going to put some teeth right along here. And then I'm going to put a little line curves up and down, and then up and down for the tongue. Then I'm going to make a few more stripes. I'll do 3 little stripe lines on each side. And we'll do it right here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Garfield Surprise Fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have Garfield right there smiling. And then when we open it up, we can see that he's got his big piece of lasagna right there. And there you go. I'm going to start fast forward and coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.